Water, the miracle of nature, is the greatest gift to mankind. Life exists on our planet only because of water. It was in it that the first form of life took birth. But unfortunately, with accelerated industrialization and other human activities, there is rapid degradation of water resources, leading to scarcity of pure water in many parts of our country. With pure water out of the reach, the financially deprived are left with no choice other than using contaminated water, exposing themselves to numerous deadly waterborne diseases that adversely affect the lives of adults and children alike. Parts of northern Karnataka suffer from such problems. People of twin cities of Gadag-Betageri in Gadag district of Karnataka are provided with very limited drinking water supply. This prompted two eminent politicians of Gadag-Betageri, Shri H.K. Patil and Shri D.R. Patil, to take initiative and come to the help of their fellow citizens who were being denied of most basic and most important requirement of their lives, that is, drinking water. This vision was actualized by Shri H.K. Patil and Shri D.R. Patil, who took upon themselves to set up a number of water purification plants across the town to provide purified water to the people of Gadag-Betageri. The pure water from these purification plants is so inexpensive that the people can afford to get water at an unbelievably affordable price. For even 20 liters of water, the villagers have to pay only ₹2, which is indeed a boon to them. Whereas in the current market, the same amount of water costs 13 to 15 rupees per liter. Each liter of pure water from these purification plants costs as low as 10 paise only. And all this was possible only because of the foresight of the leaders who are sincerely dedicated towards the humanitarian needs of their people. The people who have rarely seen their taps flow and had to do with bare minimum of water can now finally heave a sigh of relief. Thanks to the efforts and concern of people like Shri H.K. Patil and Shri D.R. Patil, the smiles are finally back on people's faces. These water purification plants work just like the ATMs of the cities. In fact, they can be called as ATW, Anytime Water Centers, that provides pure drinking water whenever one needs it. Now, let's understand the purification process of water. The impure water is first sent to sand filter where the sand particles are removed. After that, it is passed through activated carbon filter where the color, odor and other impure particles are removed. The water is then flown into softener where elements like calcium and magnesium are separated from water and then sent to microfiltration. The process of separation of sensitive impure particles from water is done at this level. It is then passed through RO membrane to remove the salt particles and destroy the remaining impure particles. The water is then flown through the taste adding process where the removal of carbon dioxide takes place. After all these processes, the water is sent to UV treatment where the removal of other sensitive and impure particles is carried on. At the end of 7 stages of purification, 100% pure drinking water is available. Gadag-Betageri is probably the only place where 1 rupee has immense value and can protect your invaluable health. K.H. Patil Pratisthana Rural Medical Service Society and several cooperatives set up by Shri K.H. Patil have worked closely to realize the dreams of H.K. Patil and D.R. Patil in bettering the life of people in Gadag. Further steps are being taken up to set up many such water purification plants in the surrounding villages of Gadag, Petageri.
KH ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಗದಗ ಬೆಟಗೇರಿ ಅವಳಿ ನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಗಲ್ಲಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶುದ್ಧ ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀರಿನ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನನು ಕೂಡ ₹2 20 ಲೀಟರ್ ಶುದ್ಧವಾದಂಥ ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಗದಗ ಬೆಟಗೇರಿ ಅವಳಿ ನಗರದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗೈತಿ.
ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದ.
ಸಮಾಜದೊಳಗೆ ಅತಿ ಕಟ್ಟ ಕಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ಸಹಿತ ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವನ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಆ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರಾದವರೆಲ್ಲ H.K. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮತ್ತು D.R. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೋಜನಾ ಗದಗ ಮತ್ತು ಹುಲ್ಕೋಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಂಕದಗಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು.
Let's join hands with our great leaders, Shri H.K. Patil and Shri D.R. Patil, in this great initiative of setting up many such water purification plants and work towards creating a better and healthier life.